everybody, it's an absolute thrill to welcome you to this day one clash, and no day, of course, engenders hope or optimism more than this one. Optimism which could dissipate at a rate most alarming, or last all the way to the latter stages. We shall see. Really is quite a sight to behold this. It feels like a big game, it looks like a big game. Mind you, they all do at this ground. Well, if you did just miss it, we are up and running already.
Papa sih multi kok. Pemainnya epic, legend.
Oh, that's a key interception.
Bapak juga legend.
Goalkeeper.
Nggak punya ya sini.
Tidak.
Tidak legend gitu.
Jim, who do you reckon is pivotal?
Well, Italy is the country of great defenders, Peter, and this fella, Alessandro Bastoni, looks very much in line to be its latest representative. I think being an Italian defender, we all know he's very much from the school of no nonsense, but I really like his technique, and again, he's one of these centre-backs or defenders who can get his head up and just pick out a wonderful pass, 40, 50, 60 yards.
Okay, interesting. Well read, nice interception.
Yeah, they were looking for a counter-attack.
Mkhitaryan is offering some sort of an apology there.
He made it look a bit predictable.
And they've got a throw.
Oh, situ gua nih. Apa ya?
Mana tahu bulannya?
Intercepts the throw, that's well read. Bastoni.
Well, caution is dominating proceedings. This isn't meeting expectations.
DiMarco.
Usah buangnya ke papa,
Actually looking
papa.
for that.
Salah umpan tuh.
Maldini. Now Costa Curta.
Tadi tuh
That's been intercepted.
kenapa nggak ada?
Filippo Inzaghi.
Gini.
Mkhitaryan. And he was
tunggu
quick to
banyak
react.
itu.
Pirlo. Calhanoglu. Hernandez. Oh, that's a foul. Free kick's been given.
Pip.
Pip. Calhanoglu.
And that's a throw-in. Hernandez proves just a little bit too strong.
Nyimpen.
Nyimpan. Get. Get aja.
Filippo Inzaghi.
Jalan lu.
He's had a fair tumble under that challenge.
Tadi kan.
Barella.
Jalan lu. Tunggu jalan. Jalan lu.
Bastoni. They get a throw-in. Oh, that's neat. Locatelli. Half-time rapidly approaching, and it's still goalless. Now that's well seen too. That's ruffled a few feathers, but well dealt with. And it's Calhanoglu. Well seen, saw that coming. Now he's off and running.
They've got to make this nice and quick.
Itu salah.
Rabiot.
I wouldn't fancy playing up front in these circumstances, to be honest. There's absolutely no supply.
He's looking to set free a runner.
Salah.
And it's Calhanoglu. Now the finish! Oh, with that, the half-time whistle goes. So fascinating.
Calhanoglu.
Full of talking points, not least that last very late one.
Ke bawah.
What do you think we're up to after 45 minutes?
Well, they've never really been threatened in the first half. I think it's been a magnificent team effort. The work rate has been superb. Very, very organised.
Interesting half, just missing goals. So don't be surprised if the second half brings a change to the scoreline at the break. 0-0.
Hari ini ada di belakang.
If you back from your break, you've missed very little of the resumption of the second half. No score in the first half. Great lead! Harmlessly behind.
Okay, it's come to nothing, but it's a warning of further threat on the break.
Aduh, salah nyimpen. Aduh, bunuh diri.
Bullets.
Kenapa bunuh diri? Nyimpen banget.
Oh, he's quite the pro. The speed and sharpness in his game gives him an advantageous edge, and he applies it with lethal effect. He's class, real class. Yeah, they've only got themselves to blame. Mistakes in those areas are very punishable.
Into Milan for first blood here.
Look, he's the one everyone expects to put the ball in the net. That's what he's paid to do.
And there's green grass ahead of him. Martinez. It's one! That was superb goalkeeping.
Well, you get a sense, Peter, that he could almost get to anything today.
And there's no surprise who's taking this corner. Pirlo plays it short. Towering header! And he's there to melt it away.
Match was 71,649.
Dida. Sergio, what are you thinking?
Well, considering they're only one down, they're closer to conceding a second than scoring a leveller. Inter are desperately trying to regain the momentum, and they've certainly upped the supply.
Knocks it out wide. Another pass. Decent hit! Oh, it's gone in!
Inzaghi.
Inter are back in
Musim
business!
juga nggak lihat tuh. Musim nggak lihat,
Simple
nggak
as you
usah,
like, the outcome
Musim nggak
utterly
lihat, nggak usah.
inevitable.
Niru-niru lihat.
Filippo Inzaghi really can't believe his luck. He was allowed so much room when he should have been boxed in.
And that has added a whole new complexion to the game.
It's a very good contest with two very good sides, and with such great individual talent on show, it could go either way. They want to be quick here. It's breakaway time.
He's kicked his way through. There's the delivery. He's quick to get it clear again. Barella. Whatever he had in mind, that was not it.
Inter showing a good level of intensity at this
pelanggaran
stage.
Inzaghi.
They're calling on all their
Main
resources
kasar
now.
Inzaghi. Offside ternyata. Kirain pelanggaran. Ternyata offside.
Martinez. Well, what about it? Inter Milan are taking this the full distance. Terrific stuff. And it's Calhanoglu. And here's Inzaghi.
Wah, nggak maju tuh Rame.
And he was alert to it. Well, he was clearly disappointed with that pass. And that was... It's Calhanoglu!
Tengah masuk celah itu tengahnya
Good try. Very good try, in fact.
Well, he does strike a very pure ball, doesn't he? It's great technique.
Calhanoglu. Inzaghi.
Hernandez. Oh, that was never going to make it. Maldini.
4 added minutes has been indicated.
Is it out of harm's way?
Look, there has to be more urgency here. The ball has to get to the other end much faster.
Oh, that's... So nothing between them in 90 minutes, and we are in for extra time.
Well, I think many on that pitch were ready for the final whistle to come. So let's hope that there's still plenty of energy about.
Just a quick request.
So to clarify, extra time will follow.
On the road outside the stadium.
Apa itu?
Nanti
Capek.
Substitution for Inter.
Pas.
Number 13, Maldini.
oh
Stern test this for the endurance, for the character of the players as we head into extra time.
Coming on the field, number 14.
Martinez showed plenty of zest in getting to the ball, but couldn't quite sort it out. Costa Curta. Martinez. And he's had a
Wah,
hit.
masuk ini.
A
Rabiot.
collective sigh of relief from the
Adrian
defence.
Rabiot.
Well, I think the opposition was pretty sloppy in creating a problem for themselves then, but he was onto it so quickly and very nearly made them pay.
And that interception was most necessary.
itu tidak dalam mau aja
It's Mkhitaryan.
salah
Çalhanoğlu. Costa Curta.
Waduh, offside.
He's straight offside.
Aduh, sepatunya doang kemajuan. Formasi.
apa tuh
Ya kan, musuhnya dari tadi formasi. Kenapa ini ikut-ikut? Ganti formasi pak musuhnya? Enggak sih bodoh. Oh, ganti gini bentuknya. Capek semua pemain ini.
oh mobilnya tuh punya notis ini mobilnya macam gini
Immobile.
Substitutions
ini
taking
mobilnya
place.
nadangin
So here comes the substitution.
Well, it looks like they just want to introduce a new focal point to the attack.
mobilnya
Extra time reaches half time.
Dapat dua tambahan ya. Selesai
90
lagi
minutes long gone. 15 of an extra 30 have also gone, and the search for a winner is still
Ya,
on.
seri hasilnya
Truly, this is a punishing game on bodies and heads and minds.
lagi
The
Dapat dua
outstanding
tambahan tuh.
question, the only question,
Berarti
is there still room for one
Tambahan, Dok.
last bit of drama? And the action has already restarted.
yang kemarin
They have played themselves to a near standstill. What is
salah.
left in the tank now?
oh
A
bisa kok
reprieve, albeit perhaps moment. Oh, terrible pass.
nyentul
It's headed upfield.
salah lalu Immobile
With so much to recommend it. Fabulous contest, but still no clear winner.
Listen, the fans haven't given up on this by any means. They still believe it can be won.
Shade optimistic. And he's managed to get rid. He's only too happy to take that back.
Waduh, salah. Nyimpen.
Çalhanoğlu. Great hit!
Masuk.
Oh, yes! It's there! Late in the day! This could well be it! And it would have been harder to miss.
His finishing looked like a matter of
Simply
Tahu agak sendiri. Immobile.
Lautaro Martinez. Number 10, Gullit. Number 19, coming on the field.
And that's it. Inter Milan
That's it.
have done it. The perfect outcome in this most passionate of games. So, Jim, how do you reflect on what we've seen?
From the manager's perspective, Peter, I don't think he could have asked for much more. Well, certainly result-wise. This is a game they wanted to win for so many reasons, and his players did a sterling job carrying out the instructions. Thoroughly enjoyable.
Ya udah diganti tuh. Udah
So
diinjak, udah
just time
diganti.
for me to say thanks to Jim for his wisdom and to wish you all a very good evening.